Hey everyone, Dalton with Byrider Madison. Wanted to make a video for you. Been seeing some vehicles around lately that have cracked or chipped windshields, whether customer cars, family members, or friends of mine. I want to make a video for you, kind of just explaining some disadvantages having those. Because my car that I recently just bought did have some chips in it. One was like perfectly eye level with me, so it's very, first things first, they are very annoying to have. Can be very distracting, just drives you nuts. Another thing is they can create distortion or glare as well with like sunlight and everything, so it makes it a little more difficult to drive, and like I said, being very annoying. But biggest thing is obviously safety. Obviously having a damaged windshield, that protects you from everything on the roadway, whether it be rocks coming from big trucks, stuff like that, or just random things on the road. Definitely don't want to get hurt with those. So if you are, have chips, have cracks, so you're looking to replace, I know they can be kind of pricey at times, but definitely reach down to service, have them give you a quote, see what a windshield costs you, because you definitely, the difference between having no chips and chips or spidering effects is night and day difference. Definitely want to see what they can get done for you. If you are looking for a vehicle, however, give us a call. We'd be more than glad to try and help you. 608-663-1213, Dalton Byrider, here to help. Talk to you soon. Bye.